guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I have this big bin that I have been storing all of my empty products that I have used up for the last couple months. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go over these products, if I like them, if I would repurchase them, do I recommend them, and all that jazz. So if you'd like to see what I have in this bin, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the hair products. So the first thing I have is this, I think it's EMPTIES is how you say it, and this is dry shampoo. And they come in like a lot of different fragrances. This is the bold and enchanting naughty one. It kind of smells like a cologne-ish, like it smells good. And I love EMPTIES because they don't leave like a white cast in my hair. And they do have like specific ones for blondes and brunettes. And I have already repurchased another one. I think I got a different scent, but I love this. Is like my favorite dry shampoo. The next thing that I have, I got in like a sample thing. I'm not exactly sure, but it's a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Mask. I liked it. I don't think I would repurchase it just because I am currently trying to use up my It's a 10 leave-in product, and I've been using this for years and I love it. So the only reason I have this one is because it's free, but they do have like a deep conditioning mask leave-in like type of thing that I've been told is like super awesome. So I might want to look into that. And then that is all for the hair products. So I do have like one body product, and that was this Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. And this one is in coconut lime. They have a couple different ones. This one wasn't my favorite. They had like a cocoa honey one, I think. I'm repurchasing that one. So I will get like another one of these, but I'm just getting like a different scent or whatever you call. And what I do with this is I shave my legs with this. So I don't really use a shaving cream. I just exfoliate with this and then I shave, and it makes a world of difference, so much smoother. So next we're gonna go into some skincare. So I used up my Clinique liquid facial soap in mild. I've gone through several bottles of these. I love this stuff, but I currently have a couple other face washes that I'm trying to go through, so I'm gonna use those up before I purchase another one of these. But I do love this. I do recommend it. Clinique is a great skincare brand. It's awesome. Next, I have this Biore Witch Hazel, and it's a pore clarifying toner. So I have like a love-hate relationship with this. I liked it in the fact that I feel like it made a difference with my pores, but it also made my skin a lot redder than normal. And I know toner typically does that, and it says it's a salicylic acid acne treatment. So I think like there must be some alcohol in here or something. Yeah, alcohol is not good. But I did use it up. I will definitely not be repurchasing this. I have one right now. I believe it's Neutrogena, but it's alcohol free. So I recommend an alcohol free toner. Like I said, love-hate relationship. I didn't like how red it made my skin afterwards. Next, I have this Garnier, however you say it, Skin Active Micellar Makeup Removing Wipes. I like these. They weren't my favorites. My hands down favorite makeup wipe removers are the Neutrogena Night Calming ones, and they were on sale on Ulta, and I got like a pack of 2 of them. So I'm using those, and I love those. So that was a skin. So next I have makeup. So I have 3 brow pencils. I have one from ColourPop and then 2 from E.l.f. So the ColourPop one I really liked, and I will repurchase the ColourPop one. Came with the spoolie, which, you know, it broke on that end, so I didn't really use that. And I had it in shade brunette. I like this. I will repurchase another one. But these E.l.f. ones, these dried out ridiculously fast. Like I hardly even got to use these before they dried out. Like you can't, like they're still this much left, but it's dried out and you can't see anything. And I believe it's like that with this one as well. Yeah, like I still have so much left and there's like nothing showing up. So these are trash. I will never repurchase these again. I did, however, purchase a different eyebrow pencil thingy from E.l.f. It's different packaging and everything, so I'm not sure. This is just a brow pencil and this is ultra precise brow pencil. This one is extremely thicker. So you can see like right here how thick that is in comparison to this little guy. I definitely like this one more. It's a little too thick, but it's like way more pigmented. And I will be shortly, eventually doing a full face of E.l.f. products. So stay tuned for that. Another brow product I have is this Ulta Brow Tint in medium. So this is just like what it is a tint brow gel. So on days when I didn't really want to use a pencil or a pomade, I would just use this. I really like this because it was pigmented. It did a great job holding my brows. I'm either gonna repurchase this or look around and see if I can find like another alternative to it, but I do recommend it. So the next thing I have is this Stila Diamond Dust Glitter. It doesn't say what it is, but it's the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow. So yeah, and diamond dust, like I said. But this dried out, like it's showing up a little, but it's like extremely dry. I do like this silver color, but they do have a couple other colors that I'm more interested in. I'm not 100% sure if I will get them or not, but I do like them. I'm not a huge, I mean, I like shimmers, but I'm not a huge glitter person, but I do like this. So I have a couple other things that I got as samples so from Sephora, I used up my points, which their point system sucks, and I ended up getting this Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray, and believe it or not, like this is the first time I have ever used this setting spray, and I used this thing up so fast. So I ended up getting the full size of the De-Slick one just because my face tends to get a little oily, especially during the summer, and this has been doing an awesome job. So, I mean, I would still purchase this. Like, I would hands down repurchase another one of these. Next thing I got was this MAC Cleanse Off oil thing. I wouldn't repurchase this. I do have a Neutrogena makeup like eye remover oil thing. I'm not like the biggest fan of putting oil on my face, but I do like it to take off eye makeup, so I wouldn't repurchase this one because I have the Neutrogena one and that's like way cheaper than a MAC one. Next I have this Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist, and I will hands down repurchase another one of these. I hate shopping online in stores, which I kind of have to do because like the nearest Target is, gosh, like it's over an hour away. So it's kind of a little trip to have to go out and get one, because if you don't know, we live in the desert in 29 Palms. It's where my husband is currently stationed. So going to Target, we have to go down the hill to Palm Springs, Palm Desert, that area. So the last two things that I have are in no way whatsoever makeup related. I have candles. So little fact about me, I love candles. I hoard them. I have a little cabinet where I stash all of them, and I hate lighting new ones just because like I like to have my collection. So these are both from Bath & Body Works, and this one is Tiki Mango Mai Tai. I like this one. The notes say mango nectar, jasmine flower, and sun-kissed grapefruit. This one smells really good. It's not my favorite, so I don't know if I would repurchase it, but it smells awesome. Now this one, on the other hand, is the Midnight Blue Citrus. Oh my gosh, this one I would definitely 100% repurchase. The notes on this one say juicy citrus, fresh spring water, and sweet mango. So I know like technically this is mango-ish and this is mango-ish, but this isn't as strong of a mango scent as this one is. So if you don't really like fruity scents, but you like maybe a little bit of fruity scents, this one is go-to. And if you love fruity scents, this one's go-to. But yeah, I would definitely repurchase this one over this one. So that's it, guys. That's all of my products that I have used up in the last couple of months. Just stay tuned on my channel to see what else I have for you guys. Make sure if you're not subscribed to my channel, you click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time on my next video.